guys, this is the last piece of insulation. Keep missing it. All right guys, we've got this light marked out. We're gonna be cutting the holes for the lights today. I'm using a pretty cool little gravity contraption. This just hangs down and it's this big weight that pinpoints from the top where we have the center of the light marked out. And that's literally all we're doing is just gonna cut a hole with a hole saw and see what we can do. Come towards the wall about a ½ inch. It's good as golden. That's another light, folks. We're using these halo lights. They're just these little recessed lights. So essentially what we're doing is we're putting the wires that are running out of the ceiling into this little box, and then that box connects it to this light with this little doohickey. That's the proper technical term for it, is doohickey. Right underneath here, we got our wires that connect to our other wires, but we gotta cut these little connectors off because we are using stranded wire. And this is for solid wire. So we do this, we do a little. And so now we got our 3 wires. We got our hot, neutral, and ground, I think. We're gonna connect, you see those wires up there, right? You see them. I can tell that you see them. So we take these little clamp connectors. First we take off this piece, put this through here. Connects like that, and then we just screw it on in. And now we'll unscrew this a little bit, so we need to let all of our wires go through here. Our wires will go right through there. And by changing the color of the wire, you make it 5 times more powerful. Line up our grounds with our ground.
If Bryce can do this, anybody can do this.
It's true. Don't take that as professional advice. Consult with an electrician before you get sued. Well, Bryce's mom said that if Bryce could do it, now they're all best buds. Dan's gonna be watching this and be like, that is not what I said to do. That's not what I said to do, Bryce! All right, guys, we got the notepad out today. We're just doing a little bit of trading. The weather is gorgeous outside. We're gonna go use that weather to hopefully get some of the solar panels started to put up right now. And that's kind of today's mission. So first things first, we got to start off by measuring how wide this is and just get that measurement so that we can basically know how much room I have to work with. And then I can take measurements from the inside and subtract it, and we can just do a lot of math there. I'm like 3/4 of an inch off from the inside, which makes sense because there is some width to the aluminum sheets itself. Up there we'll have about just a little under 100 inches of space to work with. And now I'm actually gonna take you guys inside and we're going to find out basically where our vent fans are going to go, and that's also going to tell us where our solar panels can go so we can kind of work around that. With this math, we can actually go ahead and mark out up on the top where that vent fan is going to go, and we're going to need to know that anyways for when we go to place it in, so we can cut out a hole through the ceiling. Now I'm going to try, and I'm going to attempt anyways, climb up to the top of that. Do not attempt this at home. I got to first figure out how this ladder works though. not gonna lie, that just seems kind of stupid without any supervision. What's going on, guys? Giving a quick update here. Probably watching me try to install those solar panels. Unfortunately, we actually came up into an issue. Right now with the type of adhesion that we're trying to use, it just isn't warm enough outside to get a really strong bond. Need to make sure that bond is strong. Really just make sure that these aren't like death machines just flying around and flying off and hitting someone's car or something. And might also look into some other options to maybe get a stronger connection. Maybe that does mean actually screwing into the roof a little bit as well. But for now, I want to make sure the bond is strong enough. I'm gonna end up driving this down south here in the next probably month or two. We'll probably look to just get a better bond there where there's some warmer weather.
Nope.
What's up, guys? Bryce Toohey here. I'm actually in Austin packing up the apartment, ready to move on out of here. And behind me, I've actually got the computer monitors that we're giving away. We're giving away one in today's video, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick the giveaway winner right now. Let's do it. All right, guys, we actually just went ahead and picked the giveaway winner, which is actually someone that is a follower of mine on Twitter that I've interacted with before. So really excited to announce that the great Tom Dix has won the computer monitor. This is gonna be a really fun one. Tom, man, I'll either reach out to you on Instagram or Twitter, or you reach out to me. The comment right here for the winning comment was, "I'll use that monitor well, man." We had 53 comments. I selected today. I did double check that that comment was submitted before December 11th, which was the giveaway end date, which it was. So we're in good standing there. Tom, man, congratulations. I'll be sending that monitor out to you shortly. Thanks for entering. That was a fun one. We're gonna be giving away more of these though. I've got like 3 more left to give away still. So be sure to keep an eye out in future videos. Those will be given away. And yeah, once again, thanks for entering, guys, and thanks for watching the video.